Are you also having problems that your JBL Tune 510BT is not turning on and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I fix it myself. So the first thing we need to do is to locate this power button right here, as you can see, and then just click and hold until you get a blinking blue light right here, as you can see. And it should blink like every 3 to 4 seconds here, as you can see. If it blinks rapidly, then it's basically not, it's like off sync basically, and then you can try to click on this button right here and hold. If it like rapidly clicks like this, actually this means that it's looking for a device right now, as you can see. And you can click on this button right here to be able to actually pair with another device. So if you get this right here, it's actually a good sign. And if you don't get any, like if it's not like blinking blue or nothing happens, then you need to try to find this minus and plus button right here, click and hold until you get any light from this blue button right here. And if you do, this is like a good sign, by the way. This means that this headset has some life in it, and you can now start pairing it with another device, obviously, like your mobile or computer as an example. If nothing happens, most likely it is due to the fact that it doesn't have any battery right now on your on your headset basically. So you need to find the cable, and I think it's right here, right, to be able to charge it. And if the charger is not working, try with another cable and see if that can solve the issue, because it could be a cable issue obviously, and if it is, just change the cable if you can and try once again, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.